Hi art class! Today we are going to be doing step 2 in our unique pet drawing. And today all you need is your drawing from the first step and a pencil to start off, or a black marker, something to draw with. So today is all about texture, okay? We in the first step we created a unique pet that's out of different animal features. Mine, I used a panda's face, a kitten's eyes, bunny ears, a deer antlers, and a fish body, clownfish body. So today, since it's all about texture, we're going to think of some different textures to use. Some words that describe different textures would be furry, rough, hard, wrinkly, bumpy. All of those words describe different types of texture, how something feels. And since our drawing is 2D, which means that it's flat, we can't actually feel it. So we can do some little tricks to show how something feels. And what we're going to do to make it look like you can tell how it feels is we're going to repeat either lines, shapes, or you can repeat value as well. I'm going to be sticking to lines and shapes to make my texture. So on the ear of my bunny, I want it to look fuzzy, like fur. So I'm going to just to make my ears on the edge, since I already drew them really straight. On the edge, I'll do a little zigzag line going around it, so it gives the look of texture there, fuzzy texture. I'll do it on the other ear as well. Zigzag lines make it look more fuzzy. And I'll also give some hair texture. So I'm gonna repeat some lines to show how the ears are hairy or fuzzy. Okay, I'll do a few on the side of the ear. Maybe I should do some. All right. Another texture that I want to give a fuzzy texture to the face as well. So I'll do some more of those the zigzag line going around the face. And I'll do a few little hairs or lines, repeating some straight or curved lines in the face. All right. On the body of my unique pet is the clownfish, so I definitely want to make it look like scales. So I'm going to repeat a curved line pattern to make it look like scales. So they're like backwards. I'm going to do like some backwards C's over and over again. This may take a while, but definitely the more details you do, the better it will look. Really makes it look like a fish. All right. Now in the tail, I'm going to give a different type of texture. So I want it to kind of look like it's kind of thin and it can like move in the ocean. So I'll do just those. Straight lines, just a few. Pretty good. And I'll do that on this one as well. Don't want to forget that fin. Alright. So I think that is all of the texture. Oh, you know what? I'm going to add some texture to my antlers as well. So I want them to kind of look grainy like wood. So I'm going to do a few wavy lines in it to kind of resemble how wood, the grains of wood are. And you can do whatever textures you want. How do you want your animal to look like it feels? All right, and you know what? I'm gonna do one more texture on the nose. I want my nose to look like it's smooth. So I'm going to do a little water type of a shiny circle that will be a highlight, and another one, just a line like that. You know, my black marker is kind of blending it in. It's all right. If we make mistakes, it's quite all right. We can always fix them or make them look purposeful. So since I did that, I'm gonna make it where I can see the nostrils are gonna be down here. And when I color it, it shouldn't look that bad. All right. So here is my unique pet with texture now. I have the fuzzy or hairy texture on the ears and face, more of the wood grain, so kind of hard texture of the antlers, and then you can tell that they're spiky because they come to a point. The scales on the fish body, and the lines of the fins where you can show that it can do some movement in the water to help the fish body move throughout the water. All right, you guys, I can't wait to see your texture that you added to your unique pet. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.